friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Embark on a journey from South-Central Montreal to the iconic Jacques Cartier Bridge. This route traverses diverse neighborhoods, each contributing to the city's rich tapestry. The journey culminates at the Jacques Cartier Bridge, an emblem of Greater Montreal. Inaugurated in 1930, this 5-lane bridge links Montreal to Longueuil and provides access to Ile Sainte-Hélène. Originally named the Harbor Bridge, it was renamed in 1934 to honor the French explorer Jacques Cartier. The bridge has undergone several modifications, including the addition of traffic lanes and the raising of its span to accommodate large ships using the St. Lawrence Seaway. Today, it stands as a vital connection and a testament to the city's engineering prowess. Thank you for joining this exploration through Montreal's dynamic landscapes, leading to one of its most celebrated landmarks.